Dreaming of cruising through the city in a car that screams millionaire? But, your wallet doesn't agree? No worries. Today, I've got the ultimate list of 5 affordable cars that look so luxurious, people will think you hit the jackpot. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around because there's a surprise bonus pick at the end that might blow your mind. Let's dive in. First up is the Zedro Notorious. This car has more attitude than Kanye at an award show. With Vortex headlights, painted brake calipers, and a plush Italian leather interior, it's the kind of car that makes people stop and ask, "Who's that?" Here's the jaw dropper. You can get this beauty for as little as $14,000. How? It's a kit car based on the Infiniti G37, giving you all the glam of a supercar without the supersized price tag. Ready to turn heads? Let me know in the comments if this is your vibe. Quick question, what's your dream car? Drop your answer in the comments, and let's see who has the most exotic taste. Next on the list is the Gagliardi Vex. This masterpiece is a perfect blend of German precision and Italian flair. It starts with a Porsche Boxster donor car that's transformed into something long, low, and undeniably luxurious. The result is a head-turner that looks like it belongs in a billionaire's garage. The best part? For just $45,000 plus the donor car, you're driving a unique ride that oozes exclusivity. If you love custom designs, this one's a splash of everything from Lamborghini to Ferrari. What's not to love? For car number 3, we're bringing in some good old American muscle, the Valara Vet. With its aggressive front fascia and rear end that could star in its own action movie, this car is all about making a statement. Built on the iconic C6 Corvette, it's not just a car, it's a flex. And here's a fun fact. The designer of this beast is the same genius behind the Vader kit car from Suicide Squad. For under $50,000, you get all that style and power, plus some serious Hollywood vibes. All right, would you rather roll up in an American muscle car or stick to sleek European designs? Let me know in the comments below. Now, let's talk about the Factor Aurelio. Hailing from the Philippines, this car combines affordability with ingenuity. Powered by a Honda engine and priced at just over $33,000, this sleek machine is handcrafted and locally sourced. It's proof that you don't need a massive budget to make a massive impression. And with only 10 to 20 units made per year, driving one of these feels like owning a rare collectible. Talk about exclusivity. Finally, let's discuss speed, style, and pure adrenaline. The DDR Grullon GT8. This car is built on a custom space frame and takes inspiration from McLaren's legendary designs. For under $50,000, you get a mid-engine layout, a V8 engine, and a look that screams, "Clear the road." Whether you're tearing up the track or cruising through the city, this car lets you live the supercar dream without emptying your bank account. And now, for the bonus pick you didn't see coming. It's not a car. Yep, it's a motorcycle. The Triumph Street Triple R is a jaw-dropper on 2 wheels. Sleek British styling and performance that feels like flying, this bike is a steal at just over $6,000. Plus, it turns heads at every stoplight and gets questions at every gas station. Who says you need 4 wheels to make a statement? So, which car or bike is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you're ready to roll in style without breaking the bank, smash that like button and subscribe for more jaw-dropping rides. Trust me, the next video might just have the perfect pick for your next dream ride. See you in the fast lane.